assassinated by a member of the Turkish Secret Service MIT, also in the 10th arrondissement of Paris at 147 Rue Lafayette on January 9, 2013. Despite confessions by Turkish state authorities, to this day, no one has been brought to justice for the triple murder, and the defense secrecy is blocking the investigation. This is why on the 10th anniversary, the commemorations will be marked by the slogan, "Lift the defense secrecy, end 10 years of impunity." Very much in relation to this attack, just recently, this past year on December 23rd, 2002, 3 Kurdish activists, Emine Kara, Evin Goyi, Shian Aydin Mirperwer, and Abdurrahman Kızıl were killed in a terrorist attack in the center of Paris